What is going on, guys? It's Thomas here, and firstly I'd like to start with welcoming you to my YouTube channel. Now this channel will be a source of financial educational information. The goal of the channel would be to provide transparent information to assist you in increasing your wealth and to become financially free. Now on this channel I will primarily discuss trading Forex market as well as financial educational information regarding managing your own finances and increasing your wealth. And today we'll be discussing why I trade Forex and why the Forex market could be an option for yourself to get into. Now we'll start by discussing what the Forex market is. So the foreign exchange market is the transaction of currencies between each other. So everyone's had some sort of transaction on the Forex market before. If you go down to your local teller and want to change your Australian dollars into US dollars, you're transacting on the Forex market. Now the price that you're given for your Australian dollars is a live price. This fluctuates over time due to supply and demand and people purchasing and selling the different currencies. And it is the world's largest market. Each day, $5 billion is traded on the Forex market. Now this is mostly by large corporate banks and federal banks. But there is obviously opportunities for retail traders like myself and potentially yourself to make money in the fluctuations of the Forex market. Now, just in regards to my own trading, I am a technical trader. I do make profits by using technical analysis of price and price action on the Forex charts. I trade 26 currency pairs. I also trade some commodities as well. But mainly I'll be discussing how you could get involved and tips and tricks in trading the Forex market. Now, the Forex market is generally known as the Wild Wild West when it comes to trading. So there's a lot of information out there in regards to how to trade Forex, but there's a lot of crap information out there as well. So the information that you typically do find on your YouTube searches may not be the right information if you are looking to become a consistently profitable trader and continue to make profits over the long term. That's why my focus will be on transparent information. I'll be able to show you and bring you along my own trading journey. All my live trading is uploaded into my FX book into my account, so you can see what my account is doing. The links to that will be in the description, so if you do want to see what kind of profits I am making myself in a percentage base, you can head over there. I also post all my live trades into my Discord forum as well, so if you do want to follow along with any trades that I am entering into, the link for that will also be down in the description. Now, like I said earlier, if you are doing Google searching and YouTube searching to try and find information that's relevant to help you become a better trader, it is pretty difficult to kind of filter through all the crap that is out there. So this channel will be focused solely on providing transparent information. I will be helping you to learn how to trade Forex, to figure out what kind of strategy would suit your personality better. There are multiple different ways you can make money in the Forex market. However, you must ensure that the strategies that you trade is something that goes with your personality. If you're a very visual person, then price action trading may be better. However, if you do like looking at indicators and multiple things on your chart, then technical trading may be better for you as well. But my best comparison to what Forex trading is like a professional sport. You put hours and hours into your practice, into your testing, into your back testing, into your demo trading before you take foot on the field. So it's always important to make sure that your strategies that you are trading are profitable before you look at putting personal and other people's finances on the line. Now just remember, the Forex market is one of the hardest markets to trade. However, 90% of traders will lose 90% of their funds within the first 90 days. This is a stat. There's only the 10% that do consistently make profits over the time. So to be able to come one of these 10%, you must ensure that your strategies are profitable and to ensure that you put in the time and the work before you go and put your money on the line. Now we'll start by discussing why the Forex market could be a good option for yourself to get involved in. Now to start with, there isn't much startup costs when it comes to trading Forex. There are obviously a lot of educational platforms out there which do charge a fee to become involved in. However, a lot of the information can be found for free on YouTube or over your Google searching. On top of this, there isn't a massive amount of capital that you need to trade in general. Now, the Forex market is extremely leveraged, and what this means is that you don't need a large account size to start with. You can potentially start with a couple of $1,000s when you are trading, and the leverage is the fact that the broker will lend you money to place your trades. Now, this can become dangerous, however, over the time I will explain how to make sure that you aren't over leveraging yourself and that the risk that you're putting on the line isn't too dramatic. On top of the fact that there isn't much of a startup cost, the actual charting softwares which you do need for Forex can be purchased for nothing at all. There are a lot of free options out there as well when it comes to your charting options for trading. So if you are looking to get into the Forex market, there isn't much of an upfront cost that you need other than obviously your actual account, the capital in your account that you will be using. There are endless options when it comes to different currency pairs that you can trade as well. There are obviously some major pairs where most of the transactions happen. There's basically 8 different currencies, which are the most popular currencies. However, there are so many different options when it comes to trading different currency pairs. There's certain different pairs act in different ways, so they could potentially become better for the type of trading that you are looking to get involved in. And on top of this, the Forex market is a global market. So it runs 24 hours a day for 5 days of the week. So there is endless opportunities for you to get involved in. Don't have to worry about being online at certain times to be able to trade. It is open 24 hours for Monday to Friday. On top of this, there is endless opportunities to make money in a falling market. We've seen at the start of the year massive drops across all the shares and equity markets. However, I've had one of the best starts to my trading career ever this year. I'm already up over double digits in my returns, and I've been able to do this during a falling market. So it doesn't matter in regards to the market conditions in general equities when it comes to Forex trading. There is opportunities to make money when the market is moving up, and there's also the same amount of opportunities to make money when the market is falling as well. The Forex market has so many different opportunities for you to get involved, to get your creative juices flowing, and to create strategies that suit your personality and your own trading style. That's why I believe the Forex market is one of the best markets to trade. There is endless opportunities for you to get involved in. However, you must make sure you do your research and put the hours into your testing before you put your live money on the line. If you feel like the Forex market is something that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe. I will be uploading regular content in regards to helping you learn to trade, in helping you manage your own finances and increase your wealth. So thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. If you did enjoy the video, please feel free to destroy the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I do look forward to seeing you next time.